Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Steam Friends notifications. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into Steam, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam menu option there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your experience. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Notifications to access all notification-related options. This section controls how Steam alerts you about various activities, including friend interactions, game updates, and more. Now, navigate to the Friend Notifications section within this panel. This is where Steam gives you detailed control over how you're notified about your friends' activities. Here you'll see a variety of different friend notification options laid out clearly. These include options like when a friend joins a game, when a friend comes online, when you receive a direct chat message, and when you receive a chat room notification. Each of these represents a different type of social activity that Steam can alert you about. In the right panel next to each notification type, you have two options available: Show Toast and Play Sound. The Show Toast option controls whether you see a pop-up notification on your screen, while Play Sound determines if you hear an audio alert. Each notification has its own toggle switch, giving you precise control over your notification preferences. Simply click the toggle switch next to any notification you want to disable. For example, if you don't want to be notified when a friend comes online, just click that toggle to turn it off. You can disable as many or as few notifications as you prefer, tailoring your Steam experience to match your needs. And that's it! You've now customized your Steam Friend notifications exactly how you want them, ensuring you only get the alerts that matter to you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.